Now, it's always great when we hear about companies who are doing that bit for the planet. And I'm actually standing on the Rigby Taylor stand, and I'm with Jayne Leyland, the product manager, and you've got a new product that's just been launched which is doing something for the planet. Can you tell me a little bit about it again?
Yeah. Since 2005 we've been doing some research, in-depth research onto carbon sequestration in grasses, because what a lot of people associate with carbon capture or carbon storing is that they always talk about trees, and people often overlook the fact that grass has a great capacity.
It does the same job.
To sequester carbon, yes. Yeah. So what we've done, we've looked at all our cultivars and mixtures in depth, and we've actually identified which of those cultivars and mixtures sequester a much higher rate of carbon from the atmosphere. So the grass plants take the carbon from the atmosphere through the leaves, store it into the roots, and then sequester it into the soil and lock it up effectively. So you're looking at mitigating your maintenance inputs by doing this. And the mixtures that we've identified store 2 to 3 times as much more carbon as compared with a similar mix that does the same job. But what we've also done is, not only do these mixtures sequester higher percentages of carbon, but the cultivars that are contained within are also top performing cultivars.
I was going to say, it's all very well doing something that makes you nice feeling fuzzy about the planet.
Absolutely.
It's got to do something practical as well.
It's got to be practical as well. So those cultivars are top performing cultivars, so whether it's a sports pitch, a golf course, a cricket outfield, or a landscape application, there are mixtures within the Carbon4Grass range that are designed to do that job. Yeah, and another big benefit, because we're talking about the whole thing together here, as well as sequestering carbon and carbon capture, all our seed is treated with Germinate T liquid seed treatment, and what that does, it not only gives fast establishment, but beneficially you've got symbiotic mycorrhiza and trichoderma in there, so it's all about feeding the plant and longer term health benefits to the plant as well. So that's helping from the soil up back into the plant, as well as the plant storing.
Now, I'm just wondering, is it something that your customers and potential customers are demanding of you a little bit more often now than they perhaps did in the past?
Yes, because it's so much high profile now, the whole environmental thing. So the Carbon4Grass, I'm sure, is going to be, in demand this year.
Smashing. Well, busy stand as always. I don't want to take up any more of your time. So thanks, Jayne, and good luck for the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.